Hey, it's Dr. Divi here. I keep getting asked, what the heck do you teach at these workshops? You've got this Mexico event coming up, you've got a Vancouver event. What do you teach? One of the main things I teach is transforming the feminine expression on the planet. What do you mean? What I mean by that is we all have distorted views of what the feminine is. It is actually the cause of lots of issues. I'll just list a few right now. If you're a woman or a man, you may have this experience where you're like a doormat. Walk all over me. You're an overgiver. You feel guilty all the time, right? This is very common in women. The other expression in women sometimes is angry. I can't trust you. You're going to hurt me. This is all because we don't have a feminine expression on the planet that's safe. What I often see in men, though I can see it in women too, is they have this hustle. I got to make it. I got to prove my worth. All of that is because of a very faulty expression of the feminine on the planet because of patriarchy. Nothing wrong. There's not blame to men. It's nothing like that. But until each of us start to shift this, we're going to have a continual problem where men can't trust their emotions. Men can't trust their intuition and lots of other things. And women are riddled in self-esteem issues, not getting a man, being afraid. All of this is because we have a poor expression of the feminine on the planet. And that's what I'm here to teach and transform. So if you're getting a poll, there's about 7 spots left for Mexico, and about 8 spots left for Vancouver. So fire me a line, and I'll see you there. Big love.